morning!
Good morning! Welcome to another week's episode of THD. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to leave the kitchen.
Oh my god.
I know.
That's so
It's
exciting.
wild. It's wild. Got to keep it fresh.
We're actually going downtown Toronto to the big city because we are investigating IV vitamin therapy. So
Yeah,
we're
exactly.
doing it at the Midtown Med Spa in Toronto.
Yeah.
We know the nurse Tracy Sokolowski.
Sokolowski. Tracy Sokolowski.
Sokolowski.
She actually likes us, believe it or
I
not.
know.
I don't know why, but she's like a huge fan.
So she's actually invited us down to do this video so that we can share with you guys what vitamin therapy is.
And we're so excited to go on a trip together.
I know, I'm so excited.
As soon as this coffee is done, because I'm
Right.
not going before I finish my coffee.
Sorry, the fruit basket moved.
I mean, our fancy dancy equipment that we use.
Yeah.
I asked for a throwback playlist, and this is what I got.
You didn't say how far back.
I actually kind of like this one. I wonder if it's gonna feel weird. Like if
Yeah.
you're gonna feel vitamins like in your veins, like
Yeah, I'm wondering. Do they feel like raptors?
yeah, like the vitamins are like, I'm gonna make you healthy. We are here. We're on our way into Midtown Med Spa, and we're about to have our first vitamin drip ever.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of nervous.
I'm pretty nervous
Are
too.
you nervous?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I have a feeling I'm going to be a little anxious.
I'm sure it's gonna go fine, but here we go.
Woohoo!
Hello.
Hi.
We are here for vitamin drips today.
Perfect. I'm just gonna paperwork
Okay.
for you.
Perfect.
Have a seat, fill that out, and Tracy will be with you shortly.
Okay, great. So I have perfect blood pressure, basically.
Yes.
Makes sense because I'm pretty perfect. I hope yours goes okay. Just joking.
We got the Beauty Boost, which I usually add more vitamin C to. Signature Boost, I just mix whatever is your concerns that day, whether it's hydration.
Jenna definitely needs this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brain fog.
Brain fog.
Lots of brain fog going on. The hydration with all the B vitamins, the calcium, the magnesium. You'll sleep better. You'll have energy.
How often can we get this done?
Usually once a month.
Once a month? Okay.
So what I have in your cocktails right now are a lot of B vitamins, like B5, B6, B12, B complex, and then I threw lots of C in there, vitamin C. The nice thing too about vitamin drips is it's 100% absorption. You know, when you take oral vitamins, you don't know how much is absorbing. So with the vitamins intravenously, you know that it's going to be 100% absorption.
Well, I feel healthier already. How about you?
I feel amazing. I feel fantastic.
Thanks so much, Tracy, for having us today.
Thanks, girls. Enjoy.
Isn't this so hard?
This is a terrible way to spend a Monday. What is wrong with you? You can't sit still.
I can't.
What is going on?
It's all the bees.
Oh my god.
My kneecap looks huge. It's only 45 minutes, I swear it's not that
I know, and we've been sitting here for 5. Where are you going?
I'm just going to go see what else there is.
Oh, I could feel the bees. Tell me, Tara, are you experiencing there's a toilet? Facilities are real close if you're having a drip. They're just here to the left.
If you need a drip. You just can't sit still, can ya?
Shut up. Okay,
Oh my god, we did it!
we survived the drip trip. And I gotta tell you, it was not scary at all. Actually, it was scary at first.
Yeah.
But once you're hooked up, it was beautiful.
Yeah.
It was relaxing, nice chairs.
Yeah.
I stayed kind of still for most of it.
I'm just like, woo 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 right now. I know, I feel
think
full of
her
energy.
drip worked better than mine. So as good as we feel right now, we will report back in a couple of days and let you know if we really felt a big difference in terms of how we slept.
Yeah.
As well as the clarity.
So thank you to Midtown Med Spa in Toronto
Yes.
on Mount Pleasant Road. And thank you to Tracy, obviously,
Yes.
for inviting us.
Tracy Sokolowski.
Sokolowski.
So if you guys like what you see, don't forget to go down there, hit the old like button, and subscribe.
Oh, subscribe.
Punch that bell in the face if you want to get some notifications.
Wow.
Or just tap the button lightly.
Yeah, they probably
That'll
wouldn't
work the
wanna
same.
Punch it. It might hurt them.
Yeah. And thank you all for joining us on another episode of THD. Love ya. Long time.